Denali Ultimate. This is the most advanced Sierra 1500 ever. Now, what does GMC's most luxurious interior look like in 2027?
From an interior standpoint, just like the exterior, it needed to feel like a whole new level of premium and capable from the moment a customer slides behind the wheel. Architectural forms and exacting precision details define a cabin where every element earns its place, while simultaneously improving functionality and usability. This translates into a cabin that feels more layered, more intentional, and more premium, while retaining that rugged, capable feeling inherent in every GMC.
The interior of these trucks are a big statement. How did you arrive to this layout?
Inside the Sierra, every element was designed around how customers actually use their truck day in and day out. That starts with a completely new console, expanding the capability of our signature GMC Multi-Pro functionality to create a true multi-tier system that delivers generous storage and multiple cup holders. The entire console is organized in a way that makes it easier to manage the devices, gear, and everyday items that our customers carry. Across the cabin, we've elevated the technology experience with technically refined digital displays for both driver and passenger. The center infotainment screen now articulates, revealing hidden storage behind it, while the available front passenger screen also features articulation for improved usability and privacy. These displays aren't about adding visual noise. They're designed to feel technically precise and highly functional.
How do you differentiate the Denali Ultimate interior from the others?
We've elevated what premium means for GMC across the entire lineup, but nowhere is that more apparent than how we've differentiated Denali Ultimate and AT4X. On Denali Ultimate, that philosophy comes to life through a focus on precision craftsmanship and elevated luxury, which manifests itself in the most premium Sierra interior we've ever created. I would even go so far to say the most premium interior ever on a GMC. AT4X tells a very different but equally deliberate story. Here, premium is expressed through technical, purposeful materials, designed to perform in demanding environments while still delivering a refined experience. An exclusive timber mahogany colorway is designed to balance durability and comfort. This interior features front seats with enhanced bolstering, a sport flat bottom steering wheel, perforation patterns, piping, quilting and embroidery, a standard panoramic sunroof, as well as stainless steel door speaker grills, reinforce AT4 as a truck that can handle serious off-road use while still feeling refined on the drive home.
From the factory, ready to go somewhere most trucks can't. But step back and look at it. It still has that GMC refinement. That's the balance.
Both trucks share the same display foundation. 60+ inches of digital screens, multi-pro tailgate, and center console. In the Denali Ultimate, you're getting the full luxury treatment. Premium materials, Bose headrest speaker system, every surface meticulously crafted. The AT4X keeps that level of build quality, but shifts the focus. More rugged, more purposeful. Same professional grade standard, different application.
New design, new cockpit,